What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm really excited. I finally got my hands on one of, if not the best designer summer fragrances of all time, in my opinion. I'm so excited. Let's just get straight into it. As you can see, Invictus Parfum. I got the tester bottle off Joma Shop for around $70. 100 milliliter. Pretty good price, if I have to say so myself. And just look how amazing this bottle is. Hold on. Whoa, how's it dirty? Look at that. Look how nice this bottle is. Wow. I mean, this presentation is absolutely beautiful. Let's give it a couple sprays. Atomizer test. Not terrible. And yeah, this is just that like clean, fresh, inoffensive. This is a great smelling fragrance. Super bubblegummy, which is an overused kind of like, I feel like, way to describe fragrances in the content space right now. But this is just super sweet. This smells so good for no reason. I'm telling you, this was the most surprising fragrance I've ever smelled. And the crazy thing is, I made a YouTube short like almost exactly a year ago, last summer, of a short, and I was like, which fragrance should I buy? And the three options were Ultramale, Azzaro, the most wanted EDP Intense, and then Invictus Parfum. And now I have every single one of those fragrances on my wish list from 1 year ago, and I didn't even know, I didn't even realize that until I ordered this. Yeah, this is just a great soapy fragrance. It's very soapy, very like fresh, aquatic, and it's a little salty to me as well, which is great, obviously. I'm gonna pull up the notes right here. As you can see, there's a lot. There's a little bit of florals, and there's like pink pepper on top and stuff, but it's not feminine whatsoever. And from my experience, I have a sample right here that I finished. This lasts a good amount of time. I would say around 10 hours on my skin. Good projection, good longevity. I mean, what can you not like about this fragrance, to be honest? I'm just so happy I got this. I've been waiting on this for like a week and a half. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, which is pretty frustrating. I don't know why Joma Shop took that long, but hey, I'm just happy it's here. I've been needing a summer fragrance for a while. I literally don't have a summer fragrance. I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 other fragrances. I don't have a single summer fragrance. The closest thing I had to summer fragrance was Ultramale, or maybe Mancera Instant Crush. But I finally got something that I can wear every single day during summer, no matter how hot it is. I'm really excited. And when it comes to the other Invictuses, I was looking either between this Invictus Parfum or something like Invictus Platinum. I think that's what it's called, yeah. But that one is a little too sweet. I feel like that's more for like, more like colder weather, I would say. Even though it's very good, I like this one a little more. This is definitely something anyone could wear. You could be younger, you can be older. This is just fresh, clean, inoffensive, and sweet. Everyone's gonna love this. And I actually have 2 more summer fragrances on the way. Bad financially on my end, but you guys should know. I think I put a post, but I have Mango Ice on the way, and I also have Kirk, or Kirke, however you say it, on the way, which is kind of crazy because I kind of blind bought it last year and I really liked it. And then I didn't, because it wouldn't like last at first, but then I ended up selling it. But before I sold it, I realized that I finally macerated it and it had great longevity and projection. And I would smell it on my friend every single day. It was his signature, and it just smelled so good. Like, I regretted selling it so much after I would smell on him every single day. So I had to cop it again. But yeah, so my collection is finally going to have a couple summer fragrances. But yeah, I would probably put this at the #1 spot for all the Invictus fragrances. I'd probably put Platinum on #2. And I'd probably, maybe even the original at #3. I still need to smell Aqua. I have never smelled Invictus Aqua before. I also liked what they started doing with these bottles, how it looks like they've been mewing, where it's kind of sharp right here instead of just rounded. I feel like it looked kind of weird, just rounded off like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my raw opening of Invictus Parfum. My first, initial thoughts and everything. I'm gonna be wearing this all summer. That's all I can really say. But yeah, if you guys have never checked it out, check this out, please. You will not regret it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this fragrance. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video, or live or short or whatever. But yeah, don't forget that Jesus loves you, and I'm out.